Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do an unboxing and a review on the Skylight digital photo frame. So here's what the back of it looks like. We got a power button. All right, we got a power supply, cable. Okay, so when you unbox it, this is the stand. So you can either have it stand portrait, you're simply just gonna put it right there, and then it'll stand like that, or put it right here. We're gonna plug the power cord in right here. Okay, so this is a USB wall charger that it does come with. You're gonna plug the cable in here. The cable is 6 feet long, and it goes right here. Okay, so when you first plug it in, it's gonna look like that. So dimensions, 11 3/4, stands up about 8.5. You know, with it on the table, that's going to be about 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches it's going to need. But thickness wise, it's only about 1 inch thick. Now it does look like you can hang it, like put a screw on the wall and you can hang it there or in portrait mode. Again, a power button, looks like some menu buttons, like speakers maybe. So the first thing, so it auto rotates. So if I have it up like this, it auto rotates. That's nice. Pick your Wi-Fi. The screen is touch screen. Now you're going to type in your password. Okay, so I typed in my password, hit connect. Looks like a really nice screen. So there's an activation code you're going to have to get. Okay, here's what the app looks like, the Skylight app. You're going to have to open it up. You can point your phone at that and it will open up it'll get the app for you. Now the Skylight app, you do have to log in with a username, or an email address, give it your phone number, your name. And now once you're all logged into the Skylight app, hit the add button. We want to add a Skylight frame. Right here, click confirm. Yes, let's set it up. Oh no, I have an existing. So if it's brand new, click that. Or if you have an existing frame or calendar. So this is a brand new frame. Hit confirm. So you're either going to set it up for yourself or for someone else. So if you want to put this at your parents' house, you would put it there. If this is going to be at your house, you're going to click that. Hit confirm. Create Skylight Frame's unique email address. So you can type whatever name you want in here, like Happy Dog or something like that. And it's going to be at ourskylight.com. So you can come up with your own device name. You could put Mom's Backyard or something. Okay, so let's look at the features. You're going to unlock Get Skylight Plus. I already have Skylight Plus, or not now. So I don't want to pay for anything right now. I'm going to put not now. Okay, so confirm the email address that you want to activate it with, and then it's going to give you the number here. So now you're going to type in that number. Hit the check mark. All right, looks like it's activating. I got to send photos to this email address. All right, hit finish. I already have a calendar. Now I've got the frame. So let's click on it. Okay, so I clicked the little plus button. It let me select some photos. These are photos that are on my device. I've got an iPad here, and these were on my device. I clicked upload. Now it's uploading them to somewhere, and then it should be able, and there's like a status here that shows me. I did a video too, a 20-second video, just so we could see how videos work. It took a little bit longer. So now everything's uploaded. It does show us what features you get for free. So you can select and invite, but albums, slideshow, and remote are with a plus subscription. All right, so let's select. No, I don't want to do that. I gotta get them from there to there. Okay, so I unplugged it and plugged it back in, and now they're displaying. So again, I've got them, here's the app, And so I just hit select, and then it lets me select photos from my, this is from my iPad, but I can also just email that address that I first came up with. It says it doesn't care about what words are in it or anything. Just email that. So let's try that. And so that's the email address, justadadframe@ourskylight.com. If you email that, it's going to show up. Okay, so I got an email saying, so I sent some photos via email to that special email address. And then I got another email saying, do you want to accept photos from that email address? And so I did. Now this popped up. Tap to see new photos. So that's one I sent, and that's one I sent. So now it goes back. Now I can swipe these. It does a rolling thing in the video. There is a video here. It even plays the video. There's the video. Now it doesn't have sound. Oh, I gotta click that. Okay, so there's the video. So you gotta click the mute button. Okay, that's pretty neat. Yeah, that did fall. I wish that was in there a little better. Then after it's done playing, I can pause it. It'll go back into the slideshow. Now, if I just sit here, it'll just show these pictures in random order. Now, oh, it's even combining some. That's neat. I don't think so. This is back on the app. Okay, they did show up. Okay, so I emailed these two pictures from somewhere else, from another phone, and now they're showing up in the app. So you'll see whatever. So if another family member is emailing photos, you'll see it in here. This is what is actually on the display now. Now again, you got to pay extra for a slideshow, a remote, and albums. But at least all the photos are here and the person will see them. And they can heart them. If you heart them, they get a message. It sends an email saying that person hearted it. So this is a really cool feature. I think it is really meant for having this at mom's house and you're a couple states away and you want to send pictures to mom. This is an excellent gift. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.